Hi all, Thermal Mike, and today we take a look at the Level 20 MT ARGB mid-tower chassis. With ARGB in the name, the Level 20 MT includes three 120mm pure ARGB fans pre-installed in the front and connected to a custom controller. Installation of your PSU is done easily with the cables pre-connected when using a modular power supply, so we'll get this installed first. Now let's dive in and get the PC together. The Level 20 MT supports up to ATX form factor motherboards with mounting for mini ITX and micro ATX as well, and offers 7 expansion slots out the back. We add even more RGB with the Pure 12 ARGB sync fans, which are sold separately. So we can sync up all our fans to the case control or with select motherboards supporting 5-volt RGB LED headers. The Level 20 MT offers 3 placements for radiators up to 280 on the top, 360 in the front, and 280 vertically on the interior side. We'll be using the new Water 3.0 280 ARGB AIO, which is designed to connect all together with our ARGB family products with one simple cable connection. The MT supports up to 260mm long expansion cards like our GPU. Convenient cutout for the PSU cover allows clean routing for our GPU power cables. Now we'll connect our additional pure ARGB sync fans to the case controller and daisy chain the remaining fans we added, including the pump LED header from the AIO. Included with the MT accessories, the motherboard sync cable allows you to connect the controller to select 5-volt RGB LED ready motherboards. With a single slide, secure the tempered glass panel back on the case easily. Now it's time for the best part. Control your ARGB fans with a built-in RGB control button on the top I/O to select up to 8 different modes. You can also press down on the RGB button for 3 seconds to switch over to the motherboard to team up and sync. Use your PSU fan to its full potential with a ventilated PSU cover to pull additional heat from the GPU for even more airflow options, and a cool cutout for the PSU to show it off. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website at thermaltakeusa.com and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for all the latest here from Thermaltake. I'm Thermal Mike, and we'll see you in the next